My name's Adam Bew and I'm the franchisee for Bob Jane in Mount Barker. I left school and started working here for Dad. It was like a bit of a family business. I think it's been 20 years in total, but for the last 5 years, yeah, I've been the franchisee here. What's kept me here for so long, I actually enjoy coming to work. Got a good group of guys, and it's fun. I mean, I just enjoy everything about it, so yeah. I became a franchisee after Dad passed away. Took over, my older brother Andrew was a franchisee directly after that. He's now got a store at Modbury, the Bob Jane at Modbury, and then he left here 5 years ago, and that's when I took over. Dad was part of Bob Jane, I reckon it was early 90s, yeah. When he bought this place. I think it was even before McDonald's was here in the area. We have a lot of guys come through, start off as tyre technicians, you know, work their way up to wheel aligner, a workshop foreman, store manager, and then they've got the opportunity to, you know, become a franchisee after that. Well, it's funny you say that. I've got 4 kids and 3 girls and 1 boy. The youngest is 4, and yeah, I've sometimes thought, I wonder if he'll, you know, want to come here when he's older, but we'll see how we go. So.